thinking because so zoom back in to where the that part that we were looking at, which is where the day opens. Okay, fine. So just go a bit closer. No, yeah, forget that. Forget that. It's just looking at here. No. You don't need to replay it. So replay it. Now just zoom in, because I just want to explain my thinking. Okay, just okay, fine. So my thinking here, because you said, oh look, there's a inverted hammer at the pivot point. So that base there, that's your entry, okay? And you're saying that that's the confirmation. Now,
This is not a pivot point, first of all.
there's a Fibonacci lines, right? So
Yeah, yeah.
you do reversals based upon Fibonacci lines, right? You look at the reversal points. My understanding of the Fibonacci reversal points is, I mean, you have said, okay, it's a balance. So let me just go through everything one by one. So number one, with Fibonacci points, that's where you trade the reversals, right? From up to down. Now, my question is, in general, is a shooting star at a Fibonacci pivot point strong enough that you will just trade it irrespective of other signals? Is it that strong? Up, right? So we don't have a really strong signal for it going down because the general trend is up. Obviously, I could argue also that, well, Deepak, the trend for the last 24 hours is actually down. So there's a judgment call to be made there. So let's call that a half signal, right? Depending upon interpretation. The other signal, of course, is the shooting star at the resistance point. Now, if I look back, I presume you could argue, if you, so scroll backwards, go to the left. Now, we could argue that actually the pivot point has been tested multiple times because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, like there's a range of points where the pivot point was tested. So you could, I could argue that it's strong, right? I could argue that it's strong. So I'm trying to build in my mind. What matters to me is my logic. The rest of it is easy, because if I can build a trading rationale, then I'll be able to make really quick decisions and they'll be based upon foundations. So I see how that can be argued. Now, and we've also got mini trend. You know what? Actually, we've got mini inverted. We've got mini shooting stars several times actually. We've got bullish engulfing there, and it went down at the pivot point. So if you look at 2200 like yesterday, 2200, 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. Yeah, there's one there. And then if you look right, if you go right at 10 p.m, below the pivot point at 10 p.m, the day before, the day after, 10, where it says 10, where it says 2200.
2200, let me check.
There's another little maybe bullish engulfing slash inverted hammer. No, not that one. Then